In this video, you will learn how to check Java version and set path on system or laptop. So search on window cmd, type cmd, then type java hyphen version. So Java is not available here. So we will set the path, search environment, edit the system environment. Go to environment variables. Here we will add new Java home, Java underscore home. Then here we have to add path. This PC, Windows C, program files Java, and here this version I will use. Click here and add backslash and paste it and copy this and okay. And one more thing, we need to edit path also. Here we will add a new path that will Java underscore home percent backslash bin. Then okay, restart it. cmd Java hyphen version. So we can see Java version 17.0.4.1 is here. Thanks for watching.